Listen up. You have been lied to about attraction. They told you to be nice, to be complimentary, to make her feel like a queen. And what did you get? The friend zone. You got the comfort, the conversation, the emotional support, and zero attraction. The cold, hard truth every high-value man understands is that your compliments are the reason you fail. You are giving away your most valuable asset, your approval, for free. You hand it out in 1,000 small, needy apologies and superficial comments, and that neediness is what places you firmly in the category of safe, but not desired. This ends now. We are going to strip away the desperate habit of a nice guy compliments and replace it with 3 secret techniques rooted in Stoic attraction. This is not about manipulation, this is about emotional sovereignty. This is how you stop begging for a role and start commanding respect. If you are ready to stop being the emotional support and start being the obsession, comment below, I command attraction. The friend zone formula, why compliments kill desire. You believe your compliments are a tool of connection. They are actually a test of your status. When you lead with compliments about her appearance, "You're beautiful, I love your hair," you signal 2 fatal flaws. You are easily impressed. You confirm you are like every other man who prioritizes the passive, surface-level features. You seek validation. Your praise is a thinly veiled attempt to get her to smile at you, look at you, or notice you in return. The result, she doesn't feel desired, she feels safe. She sees you as a predictable man whose emotional state hinges on her appearance. A man who gives away his approval for free is a soft space, and soft spaces get walked on, not walked with. This is why Stoicism is the fix. Your approval is sacred. To a Stoic, virtue is the sole good. This means you only praise what is truly earned, her character, her effort, or her clarity of thought. You become a man whose words are so selective, so rare, that when you finally speak, it is a reward she has to work for. The 3 Stoic secrets, compliments that command power. These 3 secret compliments work because they bypass her ego and validate her inner worth, signaling that you are a discerning man with unshakable standards. Secret 1. The compliment of virtue, character. This compliment focuses on her internal strength, integrity, or emotional self-mastery. It signals that you value her character over everything else. The problem you fix, your compliment is no longer passive validation, it is active discernment. The execution, you acknowledge an active choice she made. You praise the consistency of her moral code. Example phrases, when she deals with chaos calmly, you handled that situation with zero emotional reactivity. That level of self-control is incredibly impressive, and frankly, very attractive. Secret 2, the compliment of reason, clarity. This compliment praises her sharp mind, logic, and intelligent perspective. This taps into the Stoic idea of reason as the supreme faculty. The problem you fix, you are not treating her like a prize, you are treating her like a powerful equal in thought. The execution, you acknowledge her competence and intelligence. You show her that her mind is what holds your focus. Example phrases, that observation you just made about the market, that was incredibly sharp. You have a mind that cuts through the noise, and I respect that. Secret 3, the compliment of presence, reserved energy. This compliment acknowledges the effect she has on the world, but is delivered with detachment and emotional sovereignty, showing you observe her value but do not need it. The problem you fix, you are not asking her to validate you, you are stating a factual observation about her energy. The execution, you reference the positive impact she has on your high-value world, framing her as an addition, not the center. Example phrases, I always walk away from talking to you feeling like I gained clarity on my own mission. That's a powerful skill. The final step, execution and sovereignty. You cannot use these secret compliments if you are still living a needy life. Your words must be backed by an unshakable core. You must guard your peace. The man who is truly powerful is the man who cannot be moved emotionally. When she tests you, when she pulls away, you do not react. You remain rooted, unshaken, and present. You let her emotional noise bounce off your unwavering core. You must redirect your obsession. If you are addicted to her attention, it means you're not building anything in your own life worth being addicted to. Pour that energy into your mission. Build your body, build your business, and build your discipline. You must be willing to walk away forever. If she takes your high-value compliment and rewards it with disrespect, you must be willing to leave. That willingness is the source of your power. The man who honors himself is willing to walk away from comfort if it costs him his identity. When you live like this, your compliments become magnetic. She stops seeing you as the nice guy who validates her ego. She starts seeing you as the discerning man whose rare approval is something she instinctively craves. You were never meant to live on your knees for love. You were meant to walk in power. Start now. Your time isn't infinite. To commit to this transformation, hit the like button right now. And if you want to support this movement and make sure other men finally hear what no one ever told them, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Command your respect. Do not delay your greatness.